One sunny morning, while going back to our old house, which is filled with memories and laughter, we stumbled upon these fresh Tangra fishes gleaming like jewels in our local market. So we decided to make Tangra machher jhol from our childhood. Despite lacking our usual kitchen stuff, we decided to wing it and share the chaos with you. To begin the adventure, first we grabbed 700 grams of Tangra fish, washed and cleaned them thoroughly, gave them a nice salt and turmeric makeover, that is, coated them with salt and turmeric powder. They were looking just like us in the kitchen, trying to navigate our way around like fish out of water. In a kadhai of hot mustard oil, we gently placed the fishes. And they started to sizzle and pop like fireworks, causing us to dance around the kitchen like clumsy wizards. See? But after a few minutes of this chaotic ballet, they turned into a perfect, glorious, crispy, reddish brown. Victory! So now we took the fishes out of the hot oil and set them aside. Yes, done. Next we took a medium-sized brinjal, sliced it lengthwise, coated it with the same salt and turmeric powder, and then we sent it to the remaining hot oil. The brinjal transformed, turning soft and golden brown, while we started to look like we have been through a heat spell ourselves, sweating buckets. With the brinjal done, it was the potatoes' turn to join the fun. We sliced 2 potatoes, long and thin, fried them to crispy perfection and took them out. After that, we made a runny paste with 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds paste and turmeric powder. We added more oil to the kadhai. Once the oil was hot, we added 3 to 4 green chilies and 1/4 teaspoon of pachforon. Adding pachforon instead of the usually used black cumin seeds or kalo jeera was like inviting 5 party guests instead of 1. The flavor transformation was epic. Now we took the paste we made earlier and put it in the kadhai. At this point of time, our kitchen was looking like a mini sauna. Anyways, we kept stirring on high flame. The spices released an aroma so powerful it made us feel like culinary rock stars. Then we added 2 medium-sized grated tomatoes and kept stirring. Tomatoes bubbled away and oil started to separate from the sides of the pan, a sign that things were actually going right. Next, we reunited the fried potatoes with this masala or the curry and kept on stirring till the masala completely dried up. Now we added some water and let it boil for a few minutes. It was now time to add salt to taste and then let it simmer on low to very low flame for 5 minutes. And we didn't forget to put the lid on. After 5 minutes, we gently put the brinjal slices or pieces in the kadhai, and we also added 4 to 5 green chilies, that is slit green chilies, for that extra punch. You can skip this step if you don't like the fish curry to be too spicy, or you may even add more green chilies if you want. Placing the crispy fried fishes, Tangra fishes, in the curry, and we are at the final step of our cooking. Next, we put the lid back on and let the fishes soak in their gravy hot tub for 2 to 3 minutes. They deserve a spa day too. We sprinkled some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Ta-da! Despite our hilarious misadventures, the Tangra machher jhol looked and smelled divine, ready to be devoured with steaming bashkathi rice. So there you have it, folks, a hilarious tale of culinary chaos that ended in a delicious triumph. If you enjoyed this madcap journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more funny and tasty adventures. There's a warning too. Attempting this recipe may result in fits of laughter, delicious aromas and an overwhelming urge to visit your old house. We will meet again. Till then, happy cooking. Bye.